What if everything we think we know about AI agents is wrong? Upwork just released one of the biggest real-world studies on AI agents, and the results shocked even the researchers. These advanced systems built on GPT-5, Claude Sonnet 4, and Gemini 2.5 Pro can ace SAT exams, solve coding challenges, and pass math Olympiads, yet many of them still fail on simple, real freelance tasks. But here's the twist. Add a human expert for just 20 minutes and completion rates skyrocket by up to 70%. That flips the whole conversation about AI on its head. Before we go deeper, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment so the algorithm knows this is worth sharing. Upwork examined more than 300 real client projects, not synthetic tests or lab puzzles. These were small jobs under $500 in writing, data science, engineering, translation, sales, and web development. Upwork's CTO, Andrew Rabinovich, put it bluntly: AI agents aren't that agentic. Even on simple tasks, the agents struggled on their own. Claude Sonnet 4 completed 64% of data science projects alone, but shot up to 93% with human feedback. Gemini 2.5 Pro went from 17 to 31% on sales and marketing tasks. GPT-5 jumped from 30 to 50% on engineering and architectural work. Across categories, the pattern was consistent. AI is strong at deterministic, verifiable tasks like code and structured data, but it stumbles on creative, judgment-heavy work like writing, translation, and design. Human input didn't just polish the work, it transformed the results with each review cycle. One major insight from the study is that benchmark tests completely fail to predict real-world performance. An AI can score perfectly on the LSAT, but still miscount the number of R's in the word strawberry. Upwork says this is exactly why the future of work is human plus AI, not human versus AI. A freelancer might take days to finish a project alone, but collaborating with an agent can get the job done in hours. Upwork's data shows AI-related work on the platform grew 53% year over year, which proves freelancers aren't being replaced. They're becoming more valuable. The company is now building Uma, a meta orchestration agent that manages both humans and AI systems. Instead of trying to replace freelancers, it directs which tasks go to humans and which go to AI, acting like an intelligent project manager. Upwork believes this hybrid model will define how work gets done in the coming decade. So, here's the takeaway. Jobs aren't disappearing. They're evolving. New roles in agent supervision, workflow design, and quality verification are already emerging, and they pay well. The biggest opportunities will belong to people who learn how to guide AI rather than compete with it. If you found this useful, make sure to watch the related video in the corner. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to support the channel.